This is another numerical expression problem, dividing the internet. What do you think is the answer to this expression? 5 times 4 minus the quantity 3 plus 1 to the second power, divide by 2. In simplifying numerical expressions, we need to follow the following order of operations. First, simplify any grouping symbols including parentheses and brackets. Next, we need to simplify the exponents. Then we need to multiply and divide from left to right. And lastly, we need to do addition and subtraction from left to right as well. In simplifying this expression, we need to follow the order of operations. First, we need to simplify the grouping symbol parentheses 3 plus 1. And 3 plus 1 is 4, so now we have 4 to the second power. I will copy the parentheses 5 times 4 minus 4 to the second power, divide by 2. After simplifying the parentheses, it's a good idea to take out that parentheses afterwards. Now we need to simplify the exponent 4 to the second power. 4 to the second power means 4 times 4, and that is 16. So now we have 5 times 4 minus 16 divided by 2. After the grouping symbols parentheses and exponents, we need to simplify multiplication and division from left to right. So now we need to simplify 5 times 4, which is 20. The new expression is 20 minus 16 divided by 2. The common error in this problem is that people will subtract 20 minus 16 right away. That is an incorrect step. First, we need to do 16 divided by 2, which is 8. So now we have 20 minus 8. So the correct answer to this numerical expression is 12.